So let's turn on PC with a power button. Okay, this is screwdriver. This is big. This is CPU fan and this is a power supply SLPS. And I plug it out the CPU fan. Look at this. You have to see the. You have to see. This is the front panel. Blue, red, green, and black. There's a one pin is not here. You need to this is two black color. You need to two pin shot this. Wait. I hope you just enjoy. Thank you for watching. I love you so long. If you just turn off your and on it, then you automatically turn on fan. See? Thank you.